Hello, Meow. So I'm just gonna leave this here and put a little announcement about my channel. So I have been getting a few comments about Our Friendship Begins. Some people or few people have been wanting episode 15, and I am so sorry I haven't posted it. It's been weeks since I posted Our Friendship Begins, and I just I don't know, but I can't post episode 15 yet. I'm so sorry. I haven't really got started with it, but I will soon. The reason is that ever since I got admitted to the hospital, which means I had to miss all of my dang schoolwork, which means I'm gonna get double the schoolwork this week. I mean, I already got double the schoolwork right now because I passed it last week, but yeah, that's that. I have schoolwork, I get distracted easily, and I have a bunch of ideas in my mind. Also, I've been getting a lot of body pain lately. I don't know, but I keep getting body pain under my chest, and it sometimes hurts, but I can bear it. I thought it was just cramps or stuff, normal cramps, but I think they're just normal cramps, whatever. But for that also, after this series also, I am planning on ending Our Friendship Begins in about 18 to 20 episodes. I am so sorry, but it'll be like that, okay? So, yes, so, yeah, that's that. So, I'm sorry if I sound annoying, by the way. I stutter, I keep pausing, but yeah, sorry about that. So, yeah, I have a lot of stuff on my mind. I keep getting distracted easily, plus homework and stuff. So it's kind of difficult to post episode 15 right now when it's like that. But I promise to you all, I will post it soon. For now, I'll just post short meme videos or the upcoming Sorex music video because I do have a time for that at least, because sometimes I do breaks that can be enough time to post those types of videos. And yeah, also again, thank you so much for 3K subscribers. I'm actually quite surprised that I made it to 3K. But thank you so much for watching this video and wasting your time. But yeah, just please be patient. I will post episode 15 soon, and I'll try to make it 9 minutes long to make it worth it, okay? Or 9 minutes or more. But anyways, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I am not used to doing those outros, but I'll just end it with a bye!